What about GaN for HVAC? Hi, my name is Giovanni Parrino and I work in the application marketing team for HVAC. GaN is a game-changer technology for HVAC applications, thanks to its own specific characteristics. GaN HEMTs in single-phase PFC and inverters enable high efficiency at higher switching frequency. This makes it possible to use a smaller EMC choke and remove the heatsink for systems up to 1 kW, the typical power range of air conditioner systems. GaN bidirectional switches will help support the adoption of 3-phase Vienna rectifiers in larger heat pumps. One GaN BDS may replace 4 discrete IGBTs, with advantages in both system size and cost. For more information, please go to our website.